In last week's video, we tried to go on the Pictured Rocks cruise, but it was just too windy. In this week's video, we're going to continue to explore the Munising area.
Stick around to see if we get to go on the cruise.
Hello and welcome back. If it's your first time here, I'm Scott.
And I'm Allison.
And we are
Jarhead and Ginger's Journey.
We're full-time RVers. We do destination videos, tips and tricks, and all things RV. That sounds like something you'd like? Go ahead and hit the subscribe button and come along on our journeys.
Well, that was a bummer about the boat tour, but it's better safe than sick. So we decided to come to George Brewing and drown our sorrows in a bucket of suds.
This is the company that made the beer that I had during lunch when I ate the haddock. So we're gonna go in here and have at least one more and see what else we can figure out for the rest of the day since our tour was kind of canceled. Here at George Brewing Company, we went ahead and got a beer inside and we're sitting outside on the porch. Dogs are approved here on the porch, so that's a pretty cool thing. The beer I got is called Unicorn Piss. Believe it or not, I actually asked somebody to give me a glass of Unicorn Piss. It's an IPA and it is very good. What did you get?
First of all, I thought unicorn piss would be rainbow colored and have sprinkles. I got a beer. Can you believe it? I got a Big Cups peanut butter and dark chocolate porter. You know, I'm not a beer drinker, and I like it, but you can tell by this and this level, he likes his better than I like mine, but I can drink it. And we're sitting here trying to decide if we're going to try and extend here so we can go on the boat, or if we're going to go ahead and go east. It's about 40 miles, something like that, and just make a trip back for the day to do the boat, or what we're going to do with these diesel prices. But Xanadu is still at the sitters. The lady said go ahead and use your full 8 hours because you paid for it, so we're going to try and do some more exploring dog-free. And we might just go back over to the boat and film the people coming off, the green people coming off the boat, and talk to some people that we met in line and see how they liked it. Since we didn't get to do the boat tour, we're gonna go chase some waterfalls. And how appropriate is it that we're starting out right here at Scott Falls?
I can't believe how close to the road it is, guys. Literally, you can see behind us the road. There's the sign right here that says Scott's Falls. And the falls are right there. You can see them from the highway. I think this is Highway 2 if I'm not mistaken.
28.
28? I think this is Highway 28. This is Scott's Waterfall in all its glory. According to the information we found, it falls 10 feet into this little pool. It's pretty cool. I can't believe it's so close to the road. So let us know down below what you guys call this. Is this a crick, or a creek, or a stream, or what word do you use for it? We're up here at the top of Scott's Fall.
We just picked up Xanadu from the pet sitters and she had a good time, and so now we're stopping to see some more falls. We're here at Outtro Falls, just west of Munising.
Yep, just west of Munising. It's kind of tucked away in the trees a little bit, but as you can probably tell by the road noise, we are literally right off the side of the road again. So let's take a look.
here at Munising Falls now. This is just a quarter-mile walk from the parking lot. A very easy path, almost wheelchair accessible. It is a little bit narrow. And you can see behind me, there's the falls, 50 feet in height. There are also stairs that you can walk up to see it at different levels.
This is the vantage point of where the falls actually comes down and hits the rocks. It's only up about 20 steps or so from the first platform where Allison introduced you to the falls. Another pretty good view here.
We are at Pictured Rocks Pizza here in Munising, back in Munising to do the boat cruise. And we got this meat pie pizza and 2 small drinks, fountain drinks, for $23.23. Sounds like 23 is a good number today.
Well, we're done with our pizza here at Pictured Rocks Pizza. I thought it was pretty good. What did you think?
I thought it was good. It was wood fired and had a little bit of crispiness, a little bit of almost burnt that I really like in a couple of places. So it was good. And you'll notice that we are here in jackets. It is July 10th, but it is 66 degrees outside. It's nice and sunny, beautiful day, so we're not complaining. It's just a little chilly and we're gonna be out in the water soon, so we definitely need these jackets.
Let's go have some fun.
We were going to leave Xanadu at home, but there are dog kennels. You cannot take your dog on board, but there are free kennels in here for your pets.
Here we are again, back in Munising, in line for the Painted Rocks tour. We're going to bring you guys along with us and show you the Painted Rocks right here on this boat behind us. Come on.
The Pictured Rocks Cruise Company has a few options. We chose the Spray Falls Cruise, which gives you the classic Pictured Rocks cruise and goes a little further to view Spray Falls. This cruise was $50 per person and about 2 hours and 15 minutes long. That rock formation is called Miners Castle, also known as Castle Rock. They do weddings sometimes on top of that castle rock. You can see the caves carved by the water along the bottom.
Pictured Rocks National Lakeshore is named for the 15 miles of colorful sandstone cliffs along the shores of Lake Superior. They reach up to 200 feet high along the shoreline.
This is St. Archway, or Lover's Leap. Folklore says a couple jumped off this rock to declare their love. Don't do it. It's only a few feet deep. The colors of Pictured Rocks are from groundwater and spring water, leaving behind minerals such as copper, iron, limonite, and manganese trickling down the face of the rocks.
This is Rainbow Cave. The groundwater seeping through the rocks makes it look like it's actually raining inside. It's kind of hard to see, but look at the shadowy area. The mineral-stained rocks look like hieroglyphics. This area is called Gull Rookery. If you look hard against the rocks, you can see all the gulls flying around. This is called Battleship Row. As we come around the corner here, if you look straight down the edge of the rocks, it looks like a bunch of ships docked.
This is nature's icebox. There's ice inside that round hole, sometimes until June or July.
This is Chapel Cove. On a good smooth day, the captain can actually pull in to where you're only feet from the sides of the cliff. We're only in 15 feet of water, and the boat's draft is 8 feet. This was pretty cool.
Spray Falls is 70 feet high and it is best viewed from the water. Superior was a 1856 shipwreck and it lies at the base of these falls in 20 feet of water. This is where we turn around to head back.
This is Grand Isle East Channel Lighthouse. It's on private property now, so it's only visible from the water.
Here we are back from our Pictured Rocks tour. What did you think?
It was awesome. Just being out on the boat, and it was cold, but there was so much to see, different rock formations, the colors of the rocks, the hikers waving at you.
Yeah, it seemed like everybody we saw that was out there hiking wanted to wave at the boat, so that was pretty cool. The colors, I expected a little more color. Maybe it was just the angle of the sun today, but it still was very beautiful, and the captain of the boat also gave a spiel all the way out and all the way back. I would say if you're gonna come, sit on the right side of the boat, because that is where you'll actually hear the captain tell you about what everything is as it goes by. Once you get out and turn around, then the left side of the boat gets the same view, but you don't get the same spiel on the way back. So pro tip, sit on the right hand side of the boat on the way out.
Thank you so much for sticking around to the end, and please like, share, subscribe, and do all the things.
Hey guys, it's Dan and Becky from
Bugs on the Windshield.
and we'll see you next time on Jarhead and Ginger's Journey.
Here at By George Brewing. Here at By George Brewing. Are you ready?
Yes.